The biggest thing that I've missed out on every time was my faith in a higher power who I choose to call God. God saved my life, and I'm here today to tell you that. Hi, my name is Savannah. Thanks to the treatment center, I now wake up in the morning and I'm excited about what life has to bring me. By the age of 14, I was smoking pot with my brother and his older friends. I was hanging out with the wrong crowds of people, going to parties on the weekends, doing all sorts of crazy stuff, and my mom had enough of me and she kicked me out of her house, and I was homeless on the streets by the age of 18. My family got together and told me that when I was ready to go to treatment, they would take me. And a few weeks later, I've decided I didn't want to live on the streets no more, so I gave them a call and I showed up at their house and they took me down to the treatment center at 18 years old. Completing the treatment center, I stayed clean for a short few months, but I didn't want to listen to what anyone had to tell me because I thought that Savannah was going to do it on her own. I ended up turning back to drugs because I never found a foundation to build my life on. I was so broken, and I reached out to the treatment center because I've been there before and I know how much they cared. The lady on the other end of the phone said, "Savannah, you can come in. There's a bed available for you right now." I didn't take no hesitation. I packed as much stuff as I can into my car and had my dad drive me down here. Whenever I got inside to the treatment center, to the intake room, there was a few people that came up to me and hugged me and told me that they were so happy that I made it back. Right then and there, those hugs they gave me let me know in my heart that I was finally safe again and that I made it. Coming in this time, I was called to the pastor's office like they do, and I was scared. I was at fear that they were going to try to talk to me about God again. But for some reason, I still went because deep down inside, something about me wanted to hear about him. As I walked into that office, I just felt his spirit upon me because I knew right then and there that's when God had touched my life. And that's when I had my spiritual awakening, and I realized that from this day forward, I will never have to use again, no matter what. A lot of the staff at the treatment center is also in recovery, and they've been through a lot of similar situations like we have. So it's not like us going to talk to a brick wall. They actually understand what we've been through. They can give us suggestions and just listen to us when we need someone to talk to. Addiction takes the lives of many loved ones every day, so don't hesitate. Call the treatment center today and start your journey.